welcome to Vlogmas day 5. I just woke up, got ready, I did my hair, did my makeup. The reason my hair is like this today is because it was very dirty and I did not feel like washing it, so I thought I might as well do it up like this, and I think it looks cute. It is all like fluffy because I did just like finish doing it, but it will like go down eventually during the day. It's gonna look cute and just like mermaid waves. I think it looks adorable. And I did my makeup today. Today my cousin is actually moving out of our apartment, so if you guys didn't know, I don't know if I actually mentioned it, but she's been living with us for the past 2.5 months. She moved in like beginning or mid-September and she was just waiting for her apartment to free up, so she is now moving into her own apartment with one of her friends, and it's very exciting. So she is currently moving all of her stuff out of our apartment, and we're gonna get our space back, so we're gonna be able to like clean out our own stuff and make sure everything is all nice. I am kind of sad that she's leaving, but at the same time it's kind of like good and bad. Like, I feel sad that she won't be living with us anymore, but I feel happy that we're getting back our space. And also, she's not moving far. She's literally moving like 2 roads, like 2 streets across. So I'm like, we're gonna be close. We're gonna be able to see each other like all the time. So that's gonna be fun. And yeah, my family's coming to help her move, and we're also gonna help her move. I think her room is pretty much emptied out, and we just have to move out like her stuff that's in the kitchen. And I think that's pretty much it. And then once everybody arrives, we're just gonna stuff everything into the car and bring it to her apartment, which is pretty exciting. Other than that, I'm not too sure what we're gonna get up to today, but I will keep you guys updated. I do believe it's gonna snow today. Like, it's supposed to snow all day. I don't know if we're gonna get a lot of snow, but it's supposed to snow, so that's pretty exciting. Don't mind my bedroom. It is a complete mess, but how cute is this little outfit with like the pants and the hoodie? I think it looks so cute, but it's pajamas, so I need to change right now. You guys, we've got snowflakes. Do you see them? You can hardly see them, but we've got snowflakes. The snow has begun. I'm so excited. Okay, now you can definitely see it better. It is definitely snowing, and look at the roof right here. There's snow. Also, this is my OOTD. I am out of socks, so we're wearing cozy socks today with blue leggings and an Aritzia crew neck. You guys, I'm eating breakfast right now. Also, my Christmas tree, oh, it's so pretty. I'm eating breakfast and it is snowing outside. Like, it is like there's already white everywhere outside. It's so nice and so like magical. I think it's so pretty. Let me show you. I know I've shown you like the snow outside so many times already this morning, but like this time it's worth it. Look at this. Like, it's literally snowing, and there's like snow on our little balcony, and there's snow coating everything outside. It's so pretty. You guys, I just brought Milo out and he's eating the snow. I think he's having fun. And Bea's supposed to be somewhere too, but I'm not sure where she is. Milo, where's Bea? Where's your sister? Oh my god, they're having so much fun. It's so cute. All right, we have made our way outside and we are walking to Amy's apartment because her parents are there and they're dropping off some stuff, and then we're gonna go meet them and then come back to the apartment to pick up the rest of her stuff because she's got a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff, and the thing is that my parents didn't want to let me know that they weren't gonna stop at the apartment to grab my stuff first, so we're walking there in the beautiful snow. It's beautiful at least outside. It's really nice out. And we're gonna go meet them there, and then we're gonna come back to pick up her stuff in the apartment. We're crossing our fingers that the cats don't completely ruin everything, because
not everything.
Really? Just before we left, they like threw something on the floor. So we're gonna be optimistic.
Some
and hopefully
in the kitchen
there.
Yesterday.
Oh yeah, we had paper on the table yesterday, and they threw it everywhere. This morning it was everywhere. So that's why we're crossing our fingers that everything is in its place when we get back. You guys, I'm obsessed with my cats. This is so cute. This is literally a box that I got because I ordered stuff, and I put the stuff here, okay? It was in the box, but Coco was trying to get in the box. Precious, oh my god. So I took the stuff out of the box, put it there, and now Coco's in the box and Bea went to see him. That is so cute. I'm literally obsessed with my cats. Also, my curls went down, but I also wore a hat. So now they're like really flat, and I'm thinking about like doing a few extras on the top of my head just to like refluff my hair, but at the same time, like whatever, like we're staying home today, it's not a big deal. It's like, I think it's 1 already, and my cousin has moved half of her stuff to the apartment. We went to see her apartment, hers and Bryce's apartment. I know you guys have already seen Bryce. He's like as long as I'm sorry. I literally have like one of my eyelashes that just went in my eye and that hurts so bad. But what I was saying is, I know you guys have met Bryce before in the vlog because every time that I'm vlogging, he always makes an appearance. But yeah, they're coming to pick up the other half of her stuff, and then she will be officially moved out of here. Not completely moved into her apartment, but she will be officially moved completely out of ours, which is kind of sad. I'm kind of getting sad that she won't be living here, but also we literally walked to her apartment earlier and it took 2 minutes to get there. So I'm like, we're gonna be neighbors, so it's gonna be completely fine. We're gonna see each other often. And now I'm making TikToks in my bedroom and I'm having a lot of fun with it. I also have to edit like I think 2 vlogs for Vlogmas, so that's like something that I need to get done today. But I'm having fun making TikToks, so I'm gonna keep doing that. And I think they just got here to pick up the other half of her stuff, so I'm gonna go see them and I will talk to you later. Right, I'm in my bedroom right now. Alex is actually in the kitchen working on a school project. And well, I have been saying since the beginning of the week that I would fold all of our laundry, and I haven't done it until now. I have just finished and I have to show you the bed literally has everything on it. Like there is no more space on the bed. There's literally clothes everywhere and 2 cats. Like I had so much clothes to fold. I'm also watching the 4th season of Selling Sunset. I did watch the 3 first ones and I really liked it. It's not like, oh my god, I'm obsessed, but it's like a pretty good show to watch. So I'm watching the 4th season right now and it is so far interesting. I'm still on the 1st episode. And this is not the only laundry I'm gonna have to fold this weekend because we're doing more laundry right now and then maybe either later tonight or tomorrow morning, so we'll see. Today has been a day, but I feel like we've been very, very productive, which is always a good thing. So yeah, I have to put all of this away now, so I'm just like procrastinating. I've been on my phone. I posted some TikToks. I posted 3 TikToks. I'm gonna try to keep up like posting 2 to 3 TikToks every single day. I've been pretty good at it within the last 2 weeks, but like the last 2 days were pretty bad. I didn't have any like motivation. I was really, really tired, so I didn't, and now I'm like back on it, so I'm really, really excited about that. And yeah, I'm gonna put this clothes away and we'll see what we end up doing for the rest of the afternoon, because it's already, I think it's already 4, like, yeah, it's 3:53, so it's almost 4. And yeah, we'll see what we end up doing. I still have to edit a vlog that needs to go up today, and then I have to edit this vlog right now for tomorrow, so still got a few things to do today. I don't think I got a lot of footage today, but that's okay. My day's pretty much over. I edited my Vlogmas video for today. I posted it, took a shower, washed my face, took my makeup off. I did my gua sha, which feels really nice. And like, I don't know why my face is so red right now. Actually, probably because of my gua sha. Anyways, I am going to go to bed now. I just have to make our bed, and then I'm gonna make my the bed that my cousin was sleeping in, because we washed all of the sheets today. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna watch Selling Sunset and probably fall asleep. So I really hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 5. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and I will see you guys for Vlogmas day 6. Bye guys.